upbeat day. Today is Wednesday. I have not been vlogging, so that is that. My mom is still here. I ended up posting the vlog that we went to LA with her, so that was fun. But today I wanted to vlog because I'm gonna have her do my hair. She's gonna paint it with another hair dye that I haven't tried before, and I figured I would vlog it just because I want to. I'm gonna show you guys what we were doing a little bit, but yeah, basically we haven't really been doing much, honestly. It was my sister's birthday week last week, yes, so we ate out a bunch and did whatever she wanted to do. We did our nails with my mom, she did hers and I did mine. And what else have we done this week? We've been trying to kind of lay low. I don't know what we're doing this weekend because it's her last weekend here, a whole weekend, and then she leaves the following, so that's kind of a bummer. But yeah, just wanted to pop on, say hello, and let me show you guys what the hair dye it is. Alright guys, so this is the hair dye that we're going to be using right here. It's from the brand REshma henna, so I'm assuming it's kind of like a henna kind of dye or something like that, and it's supposed to be in natural burgundy. But what's interesting is that you don't mix it in with anything but water. So it comes in like this little pouch right here, and this you add to water, and it's kind of cute because it came with like even like a little brush thing, and it comes with the gloves. So that's what we're gonna try today. You're supposed to leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. My hair dye or my hair color right now, it's pretty faded. You guys can see it's more like a, I don't know, like an orangey brown kind of thing going on. So we'll see what color it gives it. I'm gonna leave it curly, so you probably won't be able to tell like exactly what color it ends up. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I have 2 packs, so hopefully this comes out to be good. Otherwise, the other one's just gonna go to waste. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. Hello everyone, happy Thursday. It is Cinco de Mayo and we are on our way to see what we can find, if we can find any cruising. It's just Francisco and I. My mom and my sister decided to stay home, mostly because it's a Thursday and my sister has work tomorrow. And then I threw on a little bit of makeup, just a little bit put together. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can find. We saw that there's some cruising going on downtown, so yeah, whatever's going on, we'll include it probably now. And if you guys don't see anything coming up, means that there was nothing going on. So Hello guys, happy Friday. We just got home with my mom a little bit ago. We had lunch and we went to do a few errands. We ended up going to Costco, got some eggs and other things. Went to Target to do a few returns of hair products that I'd bought, and then we went to Sephora and I returned almost everything from the video that I showed you guys. I don't know if I think I called it keep it or return it, and ended up just keeping the Kaja catnap under eye brightener. That's all I kept from that video, because honestly most things I just wasn't very impressed with, and I just didn't want to, keep it, and my time for return passed me. And some of them actually were past the 30 days, so they ended up doing an exchange and then a gift card, and then the other ones they ended up doing a refund, so that was fine. And then when I was there, I wanted to pick up the Rare Beauty tint, but they didn't have it, so I ended up getting a sample of 2 different shades because I wasn't sure which one would work better. I think I'm a 22W, but then the 24N kind of looked pretty good too, so I'm gonna go ahead and be trying that out and see which one I like better. And then I picked up the new Becca Corrector, which is now under Smashbox, and I got it in the light fair version, so I'm excited to have this again. I bought it a long time ago and I wasn't too thrilled about it because I wasn't really into correctors back then, but now that I've been looking for a new corrector, this might be a good one to have. We'll see. So yeah, I ended up returning the Tarte one, and we'll see if this one works out better. I wanted to get the Sigma one, but I don't know. I had the credit for Sephora, so I decided to do that instead. And then I got this one, which I'm super excited about. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And I got the mini version, which is still pretty big. It's a 1.1 ounce, I think it is. And this was $20, which it is pricey. But I don't wear makeup every day. I don't set my makeup every day. So I think this is still going to last me a pretty long time. It's not too small. I don't think it smells like anything. But I have the fan on, so hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. But so this is what my makeup looks right now. So let me go ahead and spray some. Wow, the sprayer, it's a little aggressive. I'm not getting too much of a scent of anything. I don't have a lot of makeup on right now though, so I don't know how much of a difference it will make. I'm just wearing concealer. Oh, actually no, I am wearing makeup. What am I talking about? But supposedly it sets your makeup really nicely. It smells like something. What does it smell like? It reminds me of something. It reminds me of... that reminds me of something. I don't know. I have no idea what that reminds me of, but it definitely reminds me of something. This is what it looks like now that it's on. Of course, you probably won't be able to see much of a difference, but yeah. So I have this one, and that's all the products that we picked up. And then I still want to get the Rare Beauty tint. So I'm going to try these 2 shades out and try to figure out which one's best for me. But kind of wanted to update you guys because I said I would. This is actually Mother's Day weekend when you're watching this. My time. So today we're going to go eat some Cajun shrimp. Tomorrow we're supposed to be hanging out with Francisco's fam. And then on Sunday... my window open. And then on Sunday I think we might be going somewhere. I'm not sure where. So, I probably will be vlogging it though regardless. So, yeah. But I just wanted to update you guys and say hello. And I should have shaved my mustache today. I wanted to do a reel on how I do it. And I probably still will be doing it, but probably not till next week. So, but yeah. That's it for now.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
Oh, she's beauty, she's bliss.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Whoa!
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Ooh.